हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कबीर हर्ष। देखिए, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं सेक्शन 201 से आईपीसी के। सेक्शन 201 कहता है कि कॉजिंग डिसअपियरेंस ऑफ एविडेंस ऑफ ऑफेंस और गिविंग फॉल्स इंफॉर्मेशन टू स्क्रीन ऑफेंडर। इसका मतलब है whoever knowing or having reason to believe that an offense has been committed, मतलब offense अगर हुआ है, causes any evidence of the commission of that offense to disappear with the intention of screening the offender from legal punishment, or with that intention gives any information respecting the offences which he knows or believes to be false. If a capital offense shall, if the offense which he knows or believes to have been committed is punishable with death, be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years, and shall also be liable to fine. Or if punishable with imprisonment for life, so that will be imprisonment for life, or imprisonment which may extend to 10 years, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 3 years, and shall also be liable to fine. If punishable with less than 10 years imprisonment, and if the offense is punishable with imprisonment for any term not extending 10 years, means less than 10 years, shall be punished with imprisonment of the description provided for the offense for a term which may extend to 1/4 part of the longest term of the imprisonment provided for the offense, or with fine, or with both. Illustration इसमें देख लीजिए. A knowing that B has murdered Z, ये illustration पहले भी आ चुका है MP civil judge में. A knowing that B has murdered Z assists B to hide the body with intention of screening B from punishment. A is liable to imprisonment of either description for 7 years and also to fine. Section 228A है disclosure of identity of the victim of certain offences. Means identity disclosure के बारे में बताता है. Whoever prints or publish the name or any matter which may make known the identity of any person against whom an offense under section 376, section 376A, section 376AB, B, C, D, DA, DB or E is alleged to found to have been committed hereinafter in this section referred to as the act, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 2 years and also liable to fine. Subsection 2 क्या कहता है? Nothing is in subsection 1 extend to any printing or publication of the name or any matter which may make known the identity of the victim if such printing or publication is A क्या कहता है? By or under order in writing of the officer in charge of the police station or the police officer making the investigation into such offense acting in good faith for the purpose of such investigation. B क्या कहता है? By or with the authorization in writing of the victim. C क्या कहता है? Where the victim is dead or minor or of unsound mind, by or with the authorization in writing or of next of the kin of victim, provided that no such authorization shall be given to the next of kin to anybody other than the chairman or the secretary by whatever neighbor called, or any recognized welfare institution or organization. Explanation इसमें क्या कहता है? For the purpose of this subsection, recognized welfare institution और organization का मतलब है social welfare institution or organization recognized in this behalf by the central or state government. तीसरा subsection है whoever prints or publish any matter in relating to any proceedings before a court before a court with respect to an offence referred to of subsection 1 without the previous permission of such court shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term 2 years or liable to fine also. Explanation क्या कहता है? The printing or publication of the judgment of any high court or the Supreme Court does not amount to an offence within the meaning of this section. मीन्स मतलब हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट की पब्लिकेशन जो भी है जजमेंट की वो इस अंदर नहीं आएगी. स्टेट अमेंडमेंट है अरुणाचल प्रदेश का. वी विल नॉट रीड इट बिकॉज वी आर रीडिंग फॉर मध्य प्रदेश. use of name of victim in rape cases. Use of name of victim all although in judgment of both trial court and high court is not consistent with section 222a 228a, though explanation makes exceptions in favor of superior court judgment. Nonetheless, every attempt should be made by all courts not to disclose identity of victim in terms of section 228a ललित यादव वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ 2018 का केस लॉ है. तो प्रोहिबिशन ऑन डिस्क्लोजर ऑफ नेम एंड आइडेंटिटी ऑफ विक्टिम ऑफ सेक्सुअल ऑफेंसेस, ये निपुण सक्सेना वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 2019 का केस लॉ है. फिर उसके बाद डिस्क्लोजर ऑफ आइडेंटिटीज, द मैंडेटेड ऑफ नॉट डिस्क्लोजिंग आइडेंटिटीज ऑफ द विक्टिम ऑफ सेक्सुअल ऑफेंसेस हेल्ड शुड बी फॉलोड बाय ऑल कोर्ट्स इंक्लूडिंग सुप्रीम कोर्ट. ये रविशंकर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ एमपी 2019 का है. फिर उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे चैप्टर 12 जो कहता है ऑफ ऑफेंसेस रिलेटिंग टू कॉइन एंड गवर्नमेंट स्टैम्प्स. सेक्शन 230 जो है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इससे क्वेश्चंस आते रहते हैं. कॉइन के बारे में है. कॉइन इज metal used for the time being as money and stamped and issued by authority of some state or sovereign power in order to be so used. इंडियन कॉइन क्या कहता है? इंडियन कॉइन इज मेटल स्टैम्प्ड है एंड इशूड बाय अथॉरिटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इन ऑर्डर टू यूज एज मनी, एंड मेटल व्हिच has been so stamped and issued shall continue to be Indian coin for the purpose of this chapter, nothing less that it may be seized to be used as money. Illustration क्या कहता है? A, cowries are not coin. B, lumps of unstamped copper though used as money are not coin. C, medals are not coin in as much as they are not intended to be used as money. D, the coin denominated as the company's rupee is Indian coin. या जिस कॉइन में इंडिया कंपनीज रूपी डिनोमिनेशन होगा वो इंडियन कॉइन है. फिर सेक्शन सब ई पार्ट क्या कहता है? द फरुखाबाद रूपी which was formerly used as money under the authority of the government of India is Indian coin although it is no longer so used. अब यूज नहीं होता है लेकिन फरुखाबाद मनी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया यूज करती थी पहले. दैट इज आल्सो नोन एज कॉइन. सेक्शन 294 obscene acts and songs whoever to the annoyance of other. A क्या है? does any obscene act in any public place, means मतलब कोई भी गंदा काम करता है पब्लिक प्लेस में. B है sings, receipts or utters any obscene songs, ballad or words in or near any public place shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for term which may extend to 3 months or with fine or both. अब चैप्टर 16 है ऑफ ऑफेंसेस अफेक्टिंग द ह्यूमन बॉडी. तो उसमें सेक्शन 299 सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ ऑफेंसेस अफेक्टिंग लाइफ में है. कल्पेबल होमोसाइड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्वेश्चंस आते रहते हैं इससे. Whoever causes death by doing an act with the intention of causing death or with the intention of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death or with the knowledge that he is likely to such act to cause death commits the offense of culpable homicide. देखो इलस्ट्रेशन इसमें देख लेते हैं. ए क्या कहता है? A lays stick and turf over a pit with the intention of thereby causing death, or with the knowledge that death is likely to be thereby caused. Z, believing the ground to be firm, treads on it, uh, falls in and is killed. A has committed the offense of culpable homicide. फिर B क्या कहता है? A knows Z to be behind a bush. B does not know it. A intended to cause or knowing it to be likely to cause Z's death induces B to fire at the bush. B fires and kills Z. Here B may be guilty of no offense, but A has committed the offenses of culpable homicide. C क्या कहता है? A, by shooting out at a fowl with intent to kill and steal it, kills B, who is behind a bush. A, not knowing that he was there. Here, although A was doing an unlawful act, he was not guilty. He was not guilty of culpable homicide, as he did not intend to kill B or to cause death by doing an act that he knew was likely to cause death. अब इसमें explanation 1 देख लीजिए. A person who causes bodily injury to another who is laboring under a disorder, disease, or bodily infirmity, and thereby accelerates the death of that other, shall be deemed to have caused his death. Explanation 2 क्या कहता है? Where death is caused by bodily injury, the person who causes such bodily injury shall be deemed to have caused the death, although by restoring to proper remedies and skillful treatment, the death might have been prevented. Explanation 3 क्या कहता है? The causing of the death of a child in the mother's womb is not homicide, but it may amount to culpable homicide to cause the death of the living child. If any part of the child has been brought forth, though the child may not have breathed or being completely born. अब इसमें intention of knowledge क्या है? An offense under section 302 presupposes an offense under section 299, but an offense under section 299 becomes an offense under section 302. मतलब 299 का सेक्शन के अंदर जो भी ऑफेंस होगा वो 302 के लायक माना जाएगा. ये एक सुरेश चंद वर्सेस स्टेट 1972 का केस लॉ है. ड्यूटी ऑफ कोर्ट क्या कहता है? Whenever a court is confronted with the question whether the offense is murder or culpable homicide not amounting to murder on the fact of a case, it will be convenient for it to approach the problem in 3 stages. The question may be to be considered at the first stage would be 3 stages में करेगा. First stage में क्या question है? Would be whether the accused has done an act doing with cause the death of another. Proof of such casual intention caused under section 299. ठीक है, ये एक केस लॉ है स्टेट ऑफ AP वर्सेस रायावरप्पू पुन्ना 1976 का. उसके बाद एंथुसिया decisions not to prolong life of a terminally ill permanent vegetative state patient by medical treatment does not involve intention to cause death. Common Cause versus Union of India 2018 का केस लॉ.